The main difference with this method of making cheeseburgers is that we use a Tuscan grill to toast the buns and cook the burger patties using a wood-fired oven. This gives a beautiful char and an irresistible smoky taste. The oven is fully heated and blazing with flames, reaching temperatures between 700 and 800 degrees Fahrenheit. We begin by cutting the buns in half and drizzling them with olive oil. We place the buns on the Tuscan grill and pop them into the oven for a couple of minutes to infuse them with a smoky flavor. Next, we season the burgers with just salt and a drizzle of olive oil to keep things simple yet tasty. After taking the buns out of the oven, we put the burgers on the grill and let them cook over the flames for about 2 minutes per side to get a nice char. Once they're ready to flip, I take them out, flip them over, add American cheese on top, and put them back in the oven until the cheese is perfectly melted. Alright, the next step is making the sauce. Grab a small bowl and combine chopped pickles, ketchup, mustard, and mayo, mixing until smooth. This classic sauce gives your cheeseburgers a flavorful punch and is ready in less than a minute. I like to start by placing this classic sauce on the heel of the buns. This keeps the bottom of the bun from getting too soggy. Moving on, I top it with some fresh lettuce for a crisp crunch. It's time to take out the burgers from the oven. After placing the juicy patties on top of the lettuce, I layer on some sliced tomato and onion rings for extra flavor and texture. Put some more sauce on the top bun, and voila! This is the best cheesy cheeseburger I've ever made. It's everything you want in a fast food burger, but with an additional smoky flavor.